Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And for you today, we have a clubhouse sandwich. Alright, first thing you gotta do is we gotta make the Italian dressing. So in a food processor, I have a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese already in there. To that, I'm gonna add a 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Follow that up by 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Followed by our spice mix, which is a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley, a 1/2 teaspoon of basil, and a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. I'm adding the pepper now. Also make sure to add a teaspoon of sugar and 1 minced garlic clove. And then you want to put the top on your food processor and process everything till everything is smooth and cool. Alright, now let's assemble our sandwich. As you can see here, I have some mayonnaise on each slice of bread. Can be butter if you so prefer, but I just prefer mayonnaise. That's me. And I added 1 slice of pepper jack cheese. And then you want to add a slice of American cheese. And then we have some smoked turkey that I picked up from my local deli. Then we've got some thinly sliced heirloom tomatoes. Don't forget, on your tomatoes, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And then some bacon strips. And then put the 2 pieces of bread together. Now, this is optional, but I really think this works. And you can use butter if you wish, but I'm going to mayonnaise the other side, and we're going to bring this over to a griddle. All right, let's go. All right, as you can see here, it's griddling away, but I made a small mistake. Don't worry, it'll be fine. I also forgot to take the top off. Take that Italian dressing we made, and you want to give that a good little squirt. Don't worry if it runs over, it's fine. And then reassemble the sandwich. All right, give this a couple of minutes to toast up, and we'll be ready to serve. After about 2-3 minutes aside, you should be looking at something that looks a little bit like that. So that's a clubhouse sandwich. Done.